Hey, Erik, DmaxStore. Today we have a new tool release, new product for you guys out there. The DmaxStore Glow Plug Reamer Tool. The L5P, L5D, also the LM2 and the LZ0 now have a ceramic glow plug. These are very delicate and are prone to being damaged very easily. So this is a glow plug bore reamer. So what happens during normal operation is you'll get some soot built up on the tip area of the glow plug. What GM has said is that they want you to clean the bore out. That way there's no carbon inside. So when you're putting the glow plug in, you're not side loading the tip. They want you to put a little bit of grease just in the flutes on the tip of the glow plug tool. Don't get crazy, because the other bulletin tells you that they don't want you to put any lube on the glow plug itself. If you were to put lube on the threads, you're going to end up over torquing it, which is going to push pressure on this taper that goes into the head, which could then pinch down and break off your ceramic tip, resulting in engine damage. When you remove it, you need to take this guy, get it in the hole here very carefully. It's like the game of Operation, and you can spin that by hand. And we just want to keep turning it around. GM says to keep going until you notice that the hex end of this is about the same distance as the glow plug sticking out. Then you know it's all the way in and it's been cleaning out all the carbon. So spin that around, you'll pull it out. We got some carbon on the tip here, so we want to make sure we get all that out. That way we're not side loading the new glow plug. Make sure and go get yours at DmaxStore.com.